Now, I want you to take a look at my Phantom wallet, and as you can see, I am stacking above 6 figures. And I'll tell you what, that's not through trading. No. I have given up that game a long time ago. It is instead through deving. If you watch this video, I will show you the step-by-step process that I've used to stack this cash. Damn. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Okay, gang, we are at the point where I will be showing you the step-by-step process that made me all that money. But first, let's take a look at a coin that I've been monitoring quite closely. As you can see, I've set up a bunch of notifications here. So this is a coin that I thought would be quite interesting, and I think I was correct on this one. So you can see this initial upward trajectory over the last few hours, and now everyone's kind of lost confidence in the coin because they are scared of the rug pull. Now that's a natural fear because of course the rug pull is always right around the corner in the meme coin market. We've all been there, we've all been pulled, we know that. And the problem is it's kind of a crabs in a bucket mentality, isn't it? So eventually like all the traders are just going to pull out because they're like, oh god, that rug pull is definitely coming 100%. I know it's right around the corner. What if we flip the script? What if we became the ones who are doing the rug pulling instead? Because if we are deciding when the profit is made, then we can start having really consistent P&Ls like these people here. Okay, now being an expert trader takes years and years of practice, but for us it won't take long and it won't take that many resources. All it needs is createcoin.fun, a platform where we can launch our own coin without the need of coding. We don't need to know how to code to get this thing running. Okay, all we need is a bit of Solana, a bit of time, and the ability to click some buttons, and that is all we will need. Anyone can do this, guys, I promise you. If you've got a brain in your skull at all, then you can do this. Okay, I'm not the smartest guy in the world, but I figured this out. Okay, so one of the things that makes Create Coin a bit more unique is the market that it uploads your coin to. Now most Create Coin sites, they go to things like Pump, and Pump's great, but the problem is because everyone's uploading to it, it just fills up with shit coins. There's so many shit coins on there. You upload a coin and then there's 10,000 other coins at the same time, all competing for that space, plus the ones that are already there. So there's no point doing it because you're just going to get lost in all the noise. However, if we switch over using Dynamic on Axiom, we can look at the Matora market and you'll see the marked improvement in the market cap. So look here, so the multiple tens of Ks, hundreds of Ks. I've seen coins go into the hundreds of millions and the billions. There you go, 11.9 billion on that coin there, which is incredible. So that's the platform that we are going to use and the market that we are going to use. So we need to make sure we've got around $100 in our Phantom wallet worth of Solana. We're going to click connect wallet and we're going to click Phantom. It's as easy as that, guys. Okay, easily done. There we go. We are now connected and ready to create our own coin. So most people would go and create their own coin from scratch. You can pop a name, you can come up with a symbol, you can find a cool image for it, you can base it on a narrative or an event or, you know, a film coming out or a person, or maybe Trump did a tweet or something, I don't know, whatever you'd like. But instead, we're not going to do that. We are going to do the copy trending button. Now, this is a tool that allows us to find coins that are trending on the Pump market. So remember I said the Pump market is not particularly friendly to, you know, uploading meme coins, but these coins have already done well in that hostile environment. So we can take a look at these and pick one based on things like the market cap, when it was last paired, and, you know, the name, if you fancy it. For the amount of time I'm going to run these coins, all of these are good choices. If none are presented are good for you, you can always refresh and have a look at some of the other ones. So, you know, I've seen a bunch of these. Some of these are recurring characters because they always do consistently very well. You know, so it doesn't really matter. I could pick any one of these, really. I might go for this one, the Odyssean Elonius Maximus, which sounds really Greek and really fun. So we're going to click proceed once we get the request blocked. We're going to hit confirm. We're going to tick the box and hit confirm again. Okay, this is a standard part of the process. I know it looks like a big warning box, but it's just because these are sort of transactions that your Phantom wallet is probably not used to, doesn't fully recognize, but do not worry, this is a normal part of the procedure. There we go. So we've created our coin. Now, it's not on market because we need to give it some initial value, and the way we do that is by creating a liquidity pool. That is a starting amount of SOL that we are going to put into our coin that will get it on the market. Okay, now, on this menu, the only things you have to worry about are the amount of SOL. You don't have to worry about the tokens or anything like that. Now, the amount that I find works best for me is 0.2 Solana. So that's how much I always put into my coins. 0.2 Solana. I've been doing this for a while now, and 0.2 has been the most consistent number for me. That's what I've been doing this whole time, and that's what's what's been working. So 0.2 Solana, will confirm that there, and then we are good to go. We are on the market, easy as that. Okay, so you can see here we have got the name of the coin here, we've got the pool, we've got the amount of SOL in there, that's our 0.2, the amount of tokens, and the estimated value currently sitting at $15.55. Fantastic. So we are now going to hit this lightning bolt button. Now, this is a part of the process that is crucial. This is what separates the boys from the men, everybody. This is what makes it successful consistently and quickly. We're going to boost our token on DexScreener's trending list for 1 hour. We're going to pay 0.25 SOL, but this is an investment that will pay back and then some. So make sure you do this part of the process, guys. That's why you need the $100 in the wallet to begin with, okay? But you will see by the end of this, I will be making crazy amounts of profit. So let's hit the boost on there. So once we've hit boost, there we go. We'll confirm that transaction, and then we're going to open up DexScreener and we're going to see how well our coin performs, because in a moment it will go live. Obviously, it takes about a minute or two to go live. So let's hit on DexScreener and then let's see how our coin gets on. So we're starting at 0, as all good coins do, but we'll update soon. Here we go. Fantastic. So we're already at 23 traders, and as I said, we've only been live for about a minute or two, which is fantastic. So you can see there's what we look like on the Meteor market. All right, and already nearly at 3k on the market cap. Briefly there, that was fantastic. So one of the things you'll see is obviously I make money from the coins that I make as a demonstration for these videos. If you would like to be in with a chance of winning half of what I make for this coin, you just need to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I will put you into a prize draw and you could win half of what I make from this coin, which hopefully will be a lot of money, but we will find out very shortly. I'm soon gonna flick back to createcoin.fun. So once we're back, we will have a look at the estimated value. I've hit refresh. We're gonna see how much SOL and how much dollar value our coin now has. Remember, we started at 15 and 0.2 SOL. Let's see. So we've gone from $15 to $821, guys. That is fantastic for not very much work. We're going to remove all that liquidity. All that SOL is going to go straight into our Phantom wallet. We're going to hit confirm. I'll open my Phantom wallet again and we'll see how much money we now have. Started at 100. Now I'm wagering about 800. There we go. $819. Everyone is going to be getting on this trend soon, guys. You need to be getting on it now.